What's up guys, it's Seawolf. I'm out here with Obi and wanted to show you guys the updates on my Forester. I bought this thing because I'm having a son in about a month or so, and I've had Mustangs my whole life and just wanted something a lot safer. And I've heard that this all-wheel drive system is super safe, offers a lot more capability like off-road and stuff. Like I said, I've had Mustangs, so I've never had anything I could even go off-road in, and this is definitely not like a four-wheel drive truck, but it's really capable, a lot more capable than you think. And this video I'm doing is just kind of like an update because I took off those steel wheels, and just because they don't look really good, and I updated them with these wheels right here. I believe these came off of a BRX. I bought them off a guy off Facebook, and from what I understand, a BRX is like the kind of like sports car from Subaru, and it used the same size 17-inch wheels that my Forester uses. So I bought these just to show you guys, to see what you think. As always, I appreciate you guys and y'all's comments and views, and absolutely I'll see you in the next one. Like it if you like this video, and subscribe. See you guys.